Okay, so Reeves Construction Company, again, one of my favorite construction companies, strikes again. So this particular customer is uber smart. So they bought a 20-year-old house and then they're taking the exterior of the home and they're modernizing it. So what they did, and as you can see, is they've added these big squares for their walkway and these black rocks. And then they've taken these squares, which is extremely modern. They've opened it up right to the pool. Now next what they're gonna do is they're gonna add travertine tile, sand. They'll pound it down and really make it flat to where it's easy surface to walk on, and then right on over to into the pool. Now what makes this so smart is that when you buy a 20-year-old house, you don't necessarily have to put a ton of money down, the 20% down. All you need to do is take it and modernize it. So instead of putting your 20% down, all you need to do is update your home, and then you've got the 20% down, and then you go to your lender, get a new appraisal, and now you have your 20% down. There's more than one way to do things.